Hello, my name is Jim Wells, and I am Vice President of Enterprise AI Solutions at RapidCanvas. Today, I'm going to show you a demo of a financial advisor copilot. So imagine that the user of this application would be a financial advisor at a company that provides financial advice and guidance to families and things of that nature. So, what this advisor would like to have is the ability to get insights from the various conversations that they have with their clients and to help them predict what their clients are going to want to talk about, key actions, etc. So, first of all, we have a dashboard here that shows that we currently have 12 clients requiring action. We had 3 added from last week. There's 28 open tasks. We've got 15 meetings scheduled this week, and we have 7 documents that are pending review that have been uploaded. Below here, you can see that this particular advisor has several clients, and we have insights from previous interactions that are generated using AI. The Wilson family, their portfolio is down 8%, so the system is recommending that we outreach to them proactively. Sarah Martinez is about to retire in 90 days. And so we need to plan a review with her so she can get ready for that momentous event in her life. You have the Chen Technology Group. They've uploaded a tax document and the review is pending. And then the Roberts estate is overdue for an annual review. Here you have meeting intelligence. So we can dig down a little bit into the Wilson family. Here are some things they've decided. They decided to increase their 529 contributions by $500 per month. They are concerned about market volatility. They're concerned about college cost inflation. So it's generating various tasks, things that we should talk to them about. Document ingestion. Here's where we can actually have clients upload documents. This might connect to an existing document ingestion system, but all of those unstructured pieces of data can be processed and then they can be utilized in the meeting intelligence. And finally, you have an AI copilot, which can really get down to more of a large language model interface. What should I focus on when I meet with the Wilsons today, or prepare me for the Martinez retirement meeting? Or which of my clients are a risk to maybe leave me? And what documents are pending review? So you can type in various questions here and interact with the system just like you would with ChatGPT. So that's it for now. This is the Financial Advisor Copilot, just another example of the types of solutions that we can develop here at RapidCanvas.